So guys, here are all the lipsticks. So the lipstick which I am applying right now is this. Wait, can you guys see it? Yeah. So this is from Lakme. Okay. So it price for rupees 249. Okay, now let me open this. Just wait. Okay, so guys, it is in my hand right now. So let me open this. Look at this. It is like so pretty. Its container is really so good. I love it. Look at this. You guys must buy this lipstick, yeah. It's really good. And look at this. Wait. It's really good. Okay. So I'm gonna not apply it because I have applied it already. Okay. Now next we are gonna talk about this lipstick. It is a nude lipstick. It's from M&M Makeup and More. Okay, nice name. This is a really fantastic nude lipstick shade. I love this shade. It is really good. This is like my favorite nude shade ever. I buy it. I got it of the shopkeeper was telling that it is of 90, but after bargaining from him, I got it of just 70 rupees. Okay. So bargain is the thing which you guys must try out. So this is, let me try out it. So guys, I have removed that Lakme lipstick. Now I'm gonna apply this Nivea lip balm to moisturize my lips. Okay, where is my mirror? It is a small eyeshadow palette mirror. It is really good and very helpful. I use this mirror in most of my videos. It will just moisturize my skin. So now let us apply our lipstick. I'm gonna not apply it like this only. I will make it a little bit. Yeah, this is enough. Just red like this. And I love this shade. I think it is not its original shade. I can't able to see the original shade because मैंने पहले ये वाली लिपस्टिक लगा ली थी लैक्मे की. That's why. Okay, so guys, done this. Okay, so guys, next is this shade. What I'm gonna talk about it, matlab why just it's like hating it. How can a lipstick be like, is this a concealer mixed by a highlighter? Not a good shade. It's of Revlon, and I think I'm not gonna apply it like this. I just applied it to show you guys. It is totally a nude shade. It's like you have put in some shimmer and some highlighter into a concealer. It's just like that. Look at this. Miss, a lipstick can't be like this. I hate this lipstick. And I don't know its price. I forgot. Yeah, has not written about its price. Okay, so it is from Revlon. I know it. Just like this, written Revlon. Revlon is a good company, but that liquid lipstick was not good. Wasn't good. The shade was not good. So guys, next is this lipstick. As the company is not written, I got it of 50 rupees. 50. I like its packaging, outer covering, and this lipstick is really good. A fantastic nude shade. Look at this. It really looks so good. Means कुछ बुरे के बाद कुछ अच्छा. It's just like that. Okay. So this lipstick is really good. I love it. A really good nude shade. The fantastic shade which you guys would love. Okay, now let me wipe out it. So guys, next is this. It's again from Revlon, but another shade. It is just like a shade of mixed from the. It is so reddish type shade. It is a good shade. You guys able to find it? So this is a really good shade and a pinkish type shade, perfect for parties. I was laughing because I got it. So perfect for parties, guys. If you don't want me, if you want a lipstick that don't smell like so vulgar and that's not a big brownie type or so nude type shade, then you should pick up this shade. It is a really good shade. Really good shade, quite good. See, it's really good. So guys, next is this lipstick. It is from Lakme Enrich. Now I'm gonna apply it. Seriously guys, honestly saying, मैं अब थक गई लिपस्टिक लगा के. मतलब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैंने कहा तो कि मैंने ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक्स लगाई भी नहीं और मैं थक गई, बिकॉज बिहाइंड द सीन्स में मैं लिपस्टिक लगा रही हूँ एंड इरेज करना पड़ रहा है, तो दैट्स रियली बैड थिंग. Now guys, so guys, next is this is the lipstick shade of Lakme Enrich. Okay, so this is a really good shade or darker shade. Next I'm gonna share a hack with you guys. So if you want a thicker lips, so I'm gonna tell a hack for this. I already have a good lips which I want, so thank you God for that. I'm very happy, and now I'm gonna show you guys that hack. So first, take a darker shade of lipstick or any shade, whatever you want you can take. The darker doesn't matter, you can take any shade whichever you want. So first take a shade, take the corner of that shape. Now do it like this. See, do like this. Can you guys find the difference? I'm gonna do more to show you guys the perfect difference. Just wait for a second. So look at this, really looking big. Half of that is looking like my half of lips. So this is a hack. So next is this L18 lipstick. This is a pink shade. I wanna not open the all. This is a pink shade. Let me show you. Look at this shade. I love the shade. It is pinkish. Perfect for every day. Perfect for school, college, office, all the girls. Looking good. I love this shade, perfect pink, which I want. When I saw it online, I became really so happy because it was the shade which I want, the perfect pink shade, whichever I want. Look at this. I love this shade. It's really good. Now let us come to another shade. So guys, next is this shade. It is I just bought it for DIYs, but I have to apply it. No, I don't want to apply it on my lips, so I'm gonna just put it on my hands and please adjust. So guys, now just 3 shades are left. These. Okay, so this is the lipstick. It is also from Lakme. Let me show the shade. It is a red shade, really bold shade. Done. And wow, so bold shade. Love this shade. Perfect for parties and this love. I think Lakme is a really good company for everything, whichever it makes. So, and lipsticks, all the lipsticks are perfect from Lakme. So I love this shade also. So guys, next is this, again from Lakme. I'm gonna apply it.
क्योंकि देखो 90% तो मेरा ही है ना उसमें, तो उसी का भी 90% मेरा ही है।
It is the darkest lipstick whichever I have bought. I don't like it a lot, but since if you will apply it a little bit, then it will be very good. It is like this from outer cover. Now let me keep it side. And now last is this. By clicking a photo on this, by applying this lipstick, I have posted on Facebook and I really got good comments and good views. So hope you guys will also like it. And let me tell you now, it depends on you. It is a berry shade. Like this, I have to apply it. Like this, and just you can find out this berry shade really good. Love this shade, and it was the last shade. Look at this. So see how good is this. Wait. So because it is the last one, so I have to swatch it and show you guys. Like these two. Can you find it? So creamy and nice. I love this creamy shade. Not the matte one, but it really looks like matte and really look good. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this, then please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get the notification and be notified about my latest videos.